So this morning we're on our way to River Istian. It is on the other side of the island. So I'll be taking a motorcycle journey over there and kayaking through the river with a guide who will show me different kinds of wildlife that live along the river. So come along.
Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve.
So this is where I am today. I am about to set off on a kayaking excursion. This is called the Rio Istian on Ometepe. I'm just waiting for my guide and the kayak to be prepared, and I'm on my way. This photo depicts life on Lake Nicaragua. So you can see somebody there doing laundry in the lake. We are going to paddle out into the lake and go into the river mouth. So the first part is in open water, but it is a lake. It's really big, so it's hard to remember that it is a lake sometimes. So my guide, Jose, it was just him and I paddled until we got to the river mouth, and then he told me to sit back, put my paddle down, and just relax. So that's what I did. And after yesterday's journey, I was very happy about this. Como una orquesta.
pequeño, sí. Ahora sí, sí.
That is Madeira's volcano. It is the one with the waterfall. You can see the volcano Concepcion that we climbed yesterday, right over there.